Have you ever had a folder full of documents, articles, or notes, and absolutely no idea how to make sense of it all? Maybe it's a market research report, a collection of PDFs, or just a pile of notes from various meetings. What if you could simply ask questions about all of that content and get clear, accurate answers in seconds? That's exactly what NotebookLM does. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you what it is, how it works, and walk you through a live demonstration so you can see it in action. So what is NotebookLM? NotebookLM is a free AI-powered research tool made by Google. It was designed to help you understand and work with your own documents, not the entire internet. Think of it as a personal research assistant that has read everything you've given it and is ready to answer your questions about it. You can upload things like PDFs, Google Docs, websites, YouTube videos, and even audio files. Once your sources are loaded, you can start having a conversation with that content. Let me show you exactly how it works. I'm going to log in now, and I'm going to use one of my personal interests to demonstrate this. I'm a big fan of the architect Santiago Calatrava. He is known for his extraordinary structures, bridges, train stations, and cultural buildings that look almost like sculptures. So I've pulled together 5 sources about him, a Wikipedia article, a journal piece on his design philosophy, a YouTube documentary, a news article about his work in Valencia, and an interview where he talks about his influences. I'm going to upload all of these into a single NotebookLM notebook and then show you what this tool can actually do. So here we are inside NotebookLM. You can see I've got all 5 sources loaded on the left. NotebookLM has already read through all of them. Now I can start asking questions. First, let me try the Q&A. I'm going to ask, what is Santiago Calatrava's design philosophy? Notice what's happening here. NotebookLM isn't searching the internet. It's drawing on the 5 specific sources I uploaded and is synthesizing across all of them to give me a coherent answer. And here's the part I really like. If I click on any of these citation markers, it takes me straight to the exact passage in the original document where that information came from, so I can always verify what I'm being told. That's a huge deal when accuracy matters. Now, let me show you the audio overview. This is one of NotebookLM's most impressive features. I'm going to click Generate Audio Overview, and what it will do is take all of my sources and turn them into a podcast-style conversation between 2 AI hosts, summarizing the key ideas.
Imagine for a second that you're standing right in the middle of downtown Manhattan.
Okay, setting the scene.
Right. And you look up, and instead of that usual, grid of dark steel and glass boxes just pressing in on you, you see this structure that looks like a massive, brilliant white bird.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's like its wings are ribbed with steel and glass, and it honestly looks like it's being released from a child's hands, just right there in the financial district.
Yeah. Pretty remarkable, right? You could use that to listen back to research while you are driving, or send it to a colleague who doesn't have time to read the documents themselves. So how might you actually use this in your own work? If you are a business owner, you could upload your contracts, policies, or supplier agreements and ask NotebookLM to explain the key terms in plain English. If you do research, you can upload a collection of articles and ask it to compare viewpoints or pull out specific facts. If you work with clients, upload a meeting transcript and ask it to summarize the action points. How do you get started? Go to notebooklm.google.com. It's completely free with a Google account. Create a notebook, upload something you've been meaning to read, and ask it a question. That's really all there is to it. If you find this useful, make sure you subscribe, because each week I cover tools and topics just like this, designed to help you get more from AI without needing a technical background. I will see you in the next one.